What is going on, guys? Mans here, and we are back with another trade breakdown video. It is Monday, February 6th, and today I'm going to be going over exactly how I made just over $3,000 on the Coinbase $85 calls this morning. I'm going to go through my exact thought process for my entry, exit, and how I found this trade right now. All right, guys, so let's first off cover my one single confirmation point for this trade. Now, like I said, guys, a high confidence trade for me is usually going to be a price action based trade off of a key level on the hourly chart. Now, we are currently looking at the 5-minute chart here on Coinbase. I'm going to zoom out and show you guys the hourly chart. Now, this is the hourly chart from this past week. And as you can see, guys, when we broke out after the FOMC day, we had a massive move, which really ignited at this 70 level, because once we broke 70, the 71 area, we saw a 17-point gap to the upside all the way up to $87. So coming into today and this week, I prepared and knew that, hey, if we see a retest of that 70 to 71 area, I said in my Sunday scan, I'm going to be looking to add calls at that level. Wouldn't be surprised. I think it'd be healthy if we get a flush out, maybe in pre-market tomorrow, retest that 69.70 level. I'll definitely be looking to take a position on the long side on the weekly, probably 75 calls on a retest of the 69.76 level, because I know that's going to now be a strong support, as it was a strong resistance level that caused a large upside move just this past week. So therefore this morning, guys, I was very, very patient. I did take one initial coin scalp off of the open, which I sold for about a 22% gain, but I want to cover the trade that I took at around 10:45 this morning that yielded over 115% return in just about 45 minutes. I'm going to go through exactly how I found this trade right now. So we're going to look at the 15-minute chart here on Coinbase, guys. Obviously, you can see we bottom ticked here at the 70.52 level this morning. So that psychological and key hourly level at 70 was a clear support spot, as we mentioned, because of the move that it caused to the upside. If we look at the 5-minute chart, guys, as soon as we started to flush down to that level, my plan was to start taking a call position at that 71 spot. So I actually alerted my first ad here at $1 on those 85 calls, so $100 per contract. And then I actually added to the position here at the 70.90 level. That's where I actually added my full position on this at the 99-cent spot. So basically I was paying a 1 cent difference, and really I was paying $1 per contract for these calls. Now, the reason that I had confirmation and conviction on this trade is we actually had a bullish 15-minute trap at that 71 level. As you guys can see, they pulled coin down below that 71 support. They lured shorts in, and then they closed the candle above that key support and our prior low of the day. When I saw that, I knew we were likely going to get a smooth push to the upside. So what I did here, guys, is I held that full position that I added at the 71 spot, and then I started to gradually scale out along the way. Now, my first scale out target was our low of the day from Friday, right? Because I know that's going to be a resistance point on the way up. So I sold my first chunk of contracts here between 72 and 73. We were up about 24 to 25%. I alerted the sell to my Discord and showed them exactly where I was scaling out and why. Now, I actually let about 40% of this position run because of that bullish 15-minute trap that we had at 71. And that turned out to be a really good decision, as the remainder of those contracts ended up running about 60 to 100%. I sold 70% of my position at 50%, which was up here around the 73.40 spot. And then I sold the rest of my contracts, guys, up here at the 75 level for a little over 110% in gains at between $187 and $2 per contract, which I also alerted my sells on those here. So between 87 and 100% on those last two contracts. And that ended up yielding me just over $3,000 in total, guys, on this trade. It was a really clean and simple trade, and really illustrates that all you need is that levels-based price action and conviction in those hourly support and resistance spots that you mark out the weekend before. All right, guys, this was a really simple, but I think beneficial trade recap video. I hope you guys enjoy this, and it's a simple hourly setup that you can use on a daily basis. That 15-minute trap really gave me the conviction for this trade, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as it helps out the channel a ton. Peace.